welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am vlogging once again this week because I am going to London today and I thought I would vlog it. So I'm currently just getting ready. It is 8:15, so it's quite early for me. I had to get up at 7:30. Really struggled for me, so I'm not fully awake yet, but I am just getting myself ready. I am put on my eye makeup and I'm about to do my foundation, and I'm using the Revlon Colour Stay. It is the shade 150 Buff, and I'm really excited because Revlon really kindly gifted me this foundation. They sent it over to me to test out and it looks like all the things that I look for in a foundation: matte finish, SPF 15, it's for combination oily skin, which is amazing because I've got super oily skin. And I think it also has salicylic acid in it, which is really good because that is for spot prone skin, which I have. So let's see how this works out. I need to take the lid off it. This is meant to stay on for 24 hours. If you want it to, that is. I won't be making it last 24 hours, but it will be on for a long day. It's pretty early right now and I'll be wearing this all day, so I'm just heading down to London today to do a little bit of sightseeing and also mainly shopping, to be honest. I'm just using one pump. I don't really want to be wearing too much. It goes on really nice and smoothly, and I like the consistency of this foundation. I like quite thin feeling foundation, and it's blending in nicely as well, and it's giving me some nice coverage, which is also good. I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and get ready to go, and then I'm going to do some shopping at the airport and then go and I think I'm going to need to get Starbucks at the airport as well, and then I am heading to London, and yeah, I'll see you there. So that is me ready now. I'm just popping in my earrings. I have other earrings in. So I'm wearing these ones from Swarovski. They're so pretty, and they're ones that like the whole chain goes through your ear. I really like them. So yeah, I just did my hair last night. I curled it with my Remington straightener, which just gives me like a kind of nice soft wave kind of thing to my hair. I'll show you my outfit today. I'm just wearing this top, which is from H&M, and I'll tag it in my, I think it's linked in my 21 buttons. It keeps going in and out of stock when I try and link it, but it's really pretty and I really like it. And then I'm just wearing these jeans, which are from Quiz. They're like my favourite jeans ever. I got them last summer and I'm obsessed with them, so yeah. And then the shoes that I'm wearing, I'm just going to wear my little white lace trainers, and then that will be me good to go. So here's my makeup in daylight. I think my skin looks really good. I really like this foundation so far. I'll update you throughout the day and see how it's getting on. Let's go to London. I just got off the plane. Our flight was delayed. It was meant to be at 11:30. It didn't leave till like after 12 o'clock, so I might have done a little bit of damage. Might already have done damage in Victoria's Secret. There's like a little one in Glasgow. I just fixed my lipstick and this is how my face is looking. I don't know if you can see, I think I'm quite overexposed with the lighting, but so far this foundation is holding up so well considering I was on like a really hot flight. It was super hot and the air conditioning, I had to turn it off because it was literally like blowing my eyelashes. It was so funny. I turned to my dad and I was like, Dad, this is, the aircon's blowing my eyelashes off, and the air hostess was behind me and she was like, I've never heard anyone say that before, but literally like it was flying straight down and going so I had to turn that off, so I was really hot. I'm not looking shiny, which is really good, and I don't feel like my foundation is separate from my skin. You know, when you sometimes feel like your skin doesn't feel like skin anymore, it just feels like your foundation's sitting on top. So I don't feel like that, which is good. And yeah, and I don't think I look shiny, I just look nice and glowy. So I just wanted to explain this trip is basically me, I'm just doing some shopping and just getting some pictures for Instagram really. Like it's a trip for Instagram and also for the vlog because you guys love my vlogs. So yeah, I thought it'd be kind of fun to come to London and do some exploring, and when I come back I'll do a haul and show you guys everything that I buy, so be prepared.